Okay, so we have something that looks kind of like this, but we want to do this and create the style sheet. We already did that, and we linked it up to the HTML file, and we defined a couple of classes, right? But we're going to go back in there and change them. This now says create a class called icon that you're going to use to stylize this part that shows the name of your web page, right? That stylizes, where is it? Nope, not that one. Nope, not that one. That shows you, oh, this part right here, right? That says the name of your web page. So we're going to call that class icon. And then we are going to set a color, a font size, text align right, and also a text shadow. And so what is text shadow? Well, I'm clicking on that link there, and that takes me to this web page. And this is a text shadow property. You give the amount of pixels you want for your shadow and the color of your shadow. Okay, and so we'll go ahead and explore that right now. So let me come back over here, and so I'm going to come to my style sheet, and I'm going to change this guy to icon because that's the way the the guide is set. And so the background color, I'm going to take that away because I'm just going to leave it clear. The padding, I didn't talk about the padding in my tutorial, so I'm just going to say text align right, make it bigger, and make my font color white. And so what is that going to do to my web page? I'm going to come here and refresh it. Okay. So that's how it looks, but we want a font size to be bigger. Oh, no, no. What's happening here is that since I changed the name of the class, I need to go back into my index and change the name of the class here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Come here and refresh it. Ooh. So the title is now white, so we're not able to see it. Okay. So let me go ahead and change that from white to black, just like in the tutorial. Let me come here, there it is, right? And if you notice, the box is here and it ends here. And since the title is on the right side because we said text align right. So we have the text on the right side of this box here. Okay. And so now is a good time to go in and play around with that text shadow. So that takes me to here, and I'm just going to come here and copy this, and I'm going to come to my CSS file, and inside of icon, I'm going to hit enter, paste that guy in, and then the color that I want the shadow is going to be the same color as the text, so I'm going to make that black, and black is 6 zeros. I'll save that, come back to my page and refresh, and we get that. Okay. Maybe I want to make it a little bit bigger so that it will look more like my tutorial. Change that to 5 pixels. Come back up here and refresh it. Ooh, that does not look good at all. Ooh. Why doesn't that look good? That's not doing what I want it to do. Let's see, try it yourself. Text shadow. Oh, okay. So, no. I think we need 3 numbers here. So let me change that to 5 pixels here too. So 5 pixels, 5 pixels, and 5 pixels. And I'll come back over here and I'll refresh it. Oh, good. So now that gives me a shadow, right? So then that's what you want to do here. Maybe I don't want to make it so far away. So I want to change this back to 3 pixels away. Save that. Come here and refresh it. Okay, it looks a little bit better. And so now you have done all of this, right? So we have stylized the um, the website name portion of the web page.